Yeah, like, hello everyone. I'm hoping you guys are doing great. My name is Ashish Jangda. I'm one of the mentor here at Geeks for Geeks of Data Science course. This session is about the winners of Geek Olympics that we are having. Like the title of the session is, as you know, of Geek Olympics. Today we are having the third runner-ups. So we are having the teams of Vivek, Padmaja and Shreyansh. We are going to introduce you to the team, and we'll discuss what is their project, how they have made it, their inspiration. So every question that comes in and out about the project, we are going to discuss all about that. So welcome Vivek, welcome Padmaja, welcome Shreyansh. So hi everyone, how are you?
So
Yeah,
we are
doing
fine,
great.
sir.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, great. So first of all, congratulations for being the runner-up, the third runner-up in the Geek Olympics. So let's start with the basic introduction and start with Vivek. You.
Yes, sir. So thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir, first of all. And myself, Vivek Gitote. I'm from Shri Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur. Currently pursuing my second year and in branch of Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So yeah, that's about me. Thank you.
Okay, Vivek. Thanks. And Padmaja.
Hello, everyone. My name is Padmaja Sule. I'm from Nagpur itself. I'm also pursuing computer science in artificial intelligence from Sri Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management. That's it. Thank you.
Great, Padmaja. And Shreyansh.
uh, hello everyone. Myself Shreyash Rao. I am also from the same college, Sri Ramdeva College of Engineering and Management. Currently in second year and pursuing computer science and engineering specialization with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thank you.
Okay, great, Shreyansh. So how does the team look like? Like, what is the breakdown uh, of the team?
So basically, when we talk about the as we have two roles in our web application as a front end and a back end. So either to say front end as visualization specialist that was handled by Shesh and me and Padmaja as a back end developer. So we both perform various operations as a back end developer to build this application. So our application was, as you know, Olympic analysis dashboard. So yeah, that's all about we breakdown for
Okay.
this team.
Okay, great, great. So Shreyas is at the forefront and you are the the backbone, Vivek and Padmaja, right? Okay, great.
Yes.
So start about the inspiration of the project, right? So what was basically the inspiration of the project? How your project was different, like in terms of inspiration, and then we'll discuss about the project as well.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. So okay. So
Okay,
talking
let me
about
start. It
yeah.
was basically the inspiration was we three in the college are like sports players. We play in our college. We are in our college team. Vivek plays football. Shreyas plays basketball, and myself I play volleyball. So we are kind of interested in sports a lot. And about the recent news, India is winning medals, gold medals in Olympics. So we were kind of interested in doing this project about Olympics, and so we did this using we actually did data analysis on Olympics data.
Okay, okay. So
Sir,
that's
I
basically
want
the
to add something. I want
yeah,
to add
sure.
something. We know that in the past 2 years, we saw that the Neeraj Chopra, the famous Neeraj Chopra, has won the gold medal in javelin throw. So when it happened, many of the Indians or the worldwide or the small childrens inspired to become a sports person and to play in the Olympics. So basically, we saw that the need of the Olympics in India is now emerging day by day. So therefore, we basically made a website in which the data analysis of the Olympics is been done, where the whole past 120 years of the data is being collected, and been designed to the means audience. Thank you.
Okay, great. So this is like a totally relatable subject to all of you because all of you guys are into sports, right? Right. That's great. So starting with the project, like, could you guys give me a demonstration about the project and to the audience as well?
Okay, sir. So I
Okay, sir.
start from
Can I
myself.
share my screen or
Yes, yes,
is
yes. Yes, yes, you can for sure share your screen.
okay, sir. So my screen is visible.
Mm, yes, it is.
Okay. So here is our project as shares. Can you continue explaining? I thought I might interrupt you.
Uh, uh, no, no, you may start. Yeah.
Okay. So I will first start it. So okay. So this application was broadly classified into four categories, as I mentioned in my video also. So first category was meta tally. Second was overall analysis, and third was country-wise analysis. Fourth was athlete-wise analysis. So, but on coming to the medal tally, so here we have at least 204 regions with their medal that they have won in particular Olympic. So here on this page we get the overall analysis. Okay, so of the medals. So if we want to select a particular year, suppose I select 1904 and I want to select a country. So Argentina. Okay. So yeah. So Argentina performance in 1904 was nothing. So neither the country has won gold, silver, bronze. So this shows us empty slot. Okay. So if we select a particular again some year like 2016. So yeah, we get the data as three gold, one silver, and zero bronze, and the total value. In 2016, Argentina won this three gold, one silver, and zero bronze. So that's all these overall tally works. We have two filters in it. One is year and the second one is country. So whenever a user come on this web page, so he can easily get the data within a second. That means he can analyze that which country has won the medal in which year. So that's made it very interactive and user friendly also. And now coming on to the overall analysis. So overall analysis consists of top statistics. Top statistics include number of editions, number of hosts, number of sports, number of events held, number of participating nations, number of participating athletes. Here we get all the 120 years of old data into one slot. Okay. So and after that participating nations over years. So in this graph, we get the region versus additions, means number year in which the region means countries have participated in Olympics over the years. Okay, so next on events over the years. So number of events in and number of years. So number of how many events are held in which particular year. So it is easy to see that the graph means from the graph that how participating nations can uh, wo- can be means can be seen in this website. So next on athletes over the years. So how many athletes have been participated in which year or the number of years. So here is a this is 120 years of old data. So we can get from only one graph. Okay. So no need to have more data or analyze more data. So yeah, it makes it user friendly. And after coming on to the heat map, so this was the heat map that was able to generate the data in a colorful manner. So this colorful depicts us that means how many medals that have won, and so we highlight it on the basis of heat map. And here is the filter. So filter denotes that if we want to select a particular sport and we want that we get the athletes that are more successful in that particular sport. So suppose I select athletics or badminton. So let's see. Yeah, I get the data that in sport badminton, that which athletes are more successful. So the data can be get within a second.
Okay.
Or
And what if like
if
we are
I
having
want to,
two people having same number of medals, how you will sort that?
yeah, for that purpose, if the same number of medals are there, means in preference to country or in preference to sport.
In preference to player, let's suppose you have selected a means basically an uh, a game, like in this particular game, uh, like all the players who have won the most number of medal, you are sorting them and then you are displaying this is the player who are having these many number of medals. Or so how, if there are two players with same number of medals, how you will sort them? Is there anything special you are
Okay,
doing in that case?
so for that, I have used that means rearranging the data.
Huh.
Means
Yes, for
that
example, if
duplicate
there
data.
are no talking about duplicate data. Let's suppose there are two players, player A and player B. Player A has won two bronze medals. Player B has won two gold medals. If we are
Yes,
sorting them, both of them will be
yes.
at the same place. But in your case, there are chances the person who is having two gold medals is lower than person who has won two silver medals, right? It can
Yes,
happen, right? So I'm just talking about,
yes.
is there any specific logic you have made, like you have given more priority to the gold medals and like lesser than that to the silver and the lesser than that to the bronze? Is there
And
something like that?
yeah, yeah, yeah. In this, we are calculating overall medals, that is gold,
Mhm.
silver, or bronze. That athletes had won most of the time in that particular sport.
Mhm.
Okay, so
Right.
that athlete can be on the top who has won more medal in that particular sport, whether it is gold, bronze, or silver, and
Right.
region also specified. I think.
Right, right. So definitely this is one use case which you can like think of. Like what will happen in these kind of cases if there are two players, two gold medals versus two silver medal, which will should go on top. So just talking about a use case that you can work on that.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
definitely.
Yes, you can proceed further with like further explaining the project.
Okay, so after that overall analysis, we came on to the country-wise analysis. So country-wise analysis was handled by the Padmaja. So she will continue after that.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
so
in country-wise analysis, the main focus was actually dividing the medals based on the countries who had won them. Like in left hand side, you can see that there is a drop box where you can select countries. There are large number of countries. For example, you can select anyone. We will just select one country.
so
Let's
I will
select
select
India.
our own country, India.
Yeah, for
Yes, sir.
sure.
So in so yeah, here we did the analysis. Okay, Padmaja, continue.
Yeah, so there's a graph which depicts the tally of medals over the years we have won. And next, okay, there's then the heat map which we have displayed. With the help of heat map, we can actually define how we have excelled in different sports. The intensity of color actually shows the number of medals. We have used the color scheme here, different color scheme. Next, come down, more down. Vivek, just go to the more lower page.
I think the screen is freeze from Vivek's
No,
side. No issues, Padmaja. You can directly discuss like what else you have done in the project.
And other than this, we have also included the athlete-wise analysis, which athlete is there in which country. We have also gathered the data of top 10 athletes which have played well and who have won the medal and in which year. So in this way, we have analyzed our data.
Okay. And like, could you please explain me about the code structure, like the programming, the libraries that you have used, and for deployment? Like, I can see you have used Streamlit. So,
Yes.
which person has worked on which particular part? So, if you can explain me that.
Okay. Actually, we first of all we have used Streamlit because at the time of the hackathon we were having our end semester examinations. So working both on front end as well as back end was difficult. So we focused more on back end. Front end we handled it with Streamlit. The libraries we have actually used Python for analyzing the data because Python is very easy to analyze large data. We have used Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Pandas. These libraries we have used, and we have deployed our code using GitHub, and that's it. More about
Okay.
it can be explained by Vivek, I guess.
Yes, Vivek.
So, yeah. So, sir, can I stop sharing or let it be?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So,
Yes.
so after that, means after breakdown of all the role by Padmaja, Shears, and me. So Shears also work on visualization part. So his part was to include visualization in our web application, which was very much necessary. If user can come, so he can not only predict with only data. So visualization can also be a part to predict a particular data in a very efficient and means in a very colorful manner, and it makes a web application interactive also and user friendly also. So his part include that, and mostly our main focus was on front end. So in a very short time we cannot able to means design a code in HTML, CSS, or JS and make our front end application. So basically we have replaced it with our Streamlit library. So it is used for us people only, which need which need front end in a very short time. So Streamlit have helped us a lot in that particular part, and the overall design of this application was mainly done by Padmaja. So her designing skills also made these requirements at that level. So yeah, they have two, and we three both collaborated and get this application.
Oh, that's actually a pretty nice one, and you deserve like this runner-up position. What do you think is the most difficult part in this project, and the most
So,
interesting one?
sir,
Both of them. Yes,
sir,
Shiash.
I can add something.
Yeah, for sure.
My work was to work on the visual representative as told by Vivek. So basically, we have the data of past 120 years of data of Olympics, athletes, countries. So it is a large data set which is to be represented in a graphs or maps. So therefore, to bring such a big data set into a small frame of a graph to represent it, so that the no collisions between the values or between the graphs is been done. So that challenge has came while deploying the graph on the website. Thank you.
So, and the most interesting one?
Yeah, most interesting challenge was means using the other code designed by Padmaja in application. So it's showing a lot of error. After that, means web application cannot able to interact with that code. So designing that code was very much tougher. So collaboration was needed. So we two collaborated, and that tough level was then handled by us only.
Okay. And Padmana, from your side, like what is the most difficult part in the project?
Difficult part was like in the country-wise analysis, there were many countries, and it was difficult to actually organize the data. The data was a very large data, and it was unstructured. First structuring it out and then applying different algorithms and functions so as to get the values, that was a difficult part.
But you have done it in a pretty decent manner. So, how's your overall experience about the hackathon?
It was very nice. Actually, we weren't expecting that we will win this hackathon. We had just taken part for the sake of gaining experience and learning something new, and it was a nice journey with Geeks for Geeks, and that's it. Thank you.
And in terms of like deploying the thing, like specifically the deployment part, because data analysis is something that all of you guys were doing right from the beginning only. Am I right? For how many months you are doing, Padmaja
Recently 2-3 months,
and
because
Shreyansh?
we are just learning.
Uh, Vivek, how many months you have like for for that you are working in the data analysis?
Yeah, so at least among 2 to 3 months. Yeah. So there was a lab in our college, which machine learning lab. So from this we can get that how data analysis can be done, and what scope can be built by this data analysis. So yeah,
Mhm.
after that lab, we all gain that skills are much important for us, and through that only skills we are able to design that web application. So our college helped us a lot in that particular part.
Yeah. So, and the Streamlit part, like how many, like who has worked extensively on the Streamlit part, the deployment?
Deployment was by me only.
Okay.
Streamlit. That idea was came by me only as because our exams are near. So that Streamlit can help means creating a front end application in very short time. Okay, so that idea was given by me to both of them. So means it only not help to design that application, but also to able to interact with front end and back end in a more systematic way, and in a short time we can build that application. So I have just explore that Streamlit library and deployment part also.
Yeah, that's a pretty great work. Like, and it's good to know that you have started just 2 or 3 months back. And Shreyas, I'm expecting like you are also doing it from last 2 to 3 months. Am I right?
Yes, we have been
Yes.
developing from the past. As the Vivek mentioned here, we started learning from our lab, machine learning lab. So from there, we got an idea and experience that how the Python works, and the means big data set is been handled by the Python. How it has been handled? What are the frames that are we are using? We use here also as matplotlib, plotly, etc., etc. So therefore, we gain very much experience and also enhance our domain knowledge by if we don't get anything to do in a website, so we search upon, then we explore new websites, web pages, then collaborate each other and then work upon the website. So therefore, it enhances our coding skills also, domain knowledge also, and it was a great experience throughout this hackathon. Thank you.
That's great. So it's really great to know, like in just last 2 to 3 months, you start learning these things, and not only just the Python and data analysis part, but also the deployment part you have learned, and that's something you have learned while during the hackathon only. And here you are, the third runner-up of the hackathon. So that's really great, and congratulations to all of you, the whole team, Vivek, Padmaja, and Shreyansh. So
Thank you
uh,
so much.
heartwarming congratulations to all of you. And now let me
Thank you, sir.
like wrap up the session. So thank you everyone for joining in. And if you want more such sessions, like just subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.